Hello and welcome to Akas Cloud. I am Huzaifa. Today's agenda: what is Akas Cloud, why Akas Cloud, how Akas Cloud, and finally you can join Akas Cloud. Let us understand what is Akas Cloud. Akas Cloud is a platform where you can get personalized cloud certification program. It is one-to-one online courses platform. Let us understand in detail how Akas Cloud works. Imagine you are the student, you want to get a job in a company like MNC. So what are the challenges you have and what skill set you supposed to have? If you want to have a skill set, you have to have a training. It's not only a training, you need to get a best training. After that, you have to understand all the topics which we taught in training, and you need to refer so many documents, and you have to do a lot of hands-on practice, and you have to do some projects where you can prove that you have some real-time experience. And finally, if you want to get certification, you need to get exam. So there will be a mock exam where you can try yourself whether you are eligible to get certification or not. Finally, you will attend a global certification to get certified, and the last is interview. To pass an interview, you have to have a confident and a complete skill set for the job. How you can get all this? So I can say here, Akas Cloud is a platform where you can get everything in at one step. So you will get best training, you will understand the concepts very clearly, you will get all the documents in detail, you will have so much hands-on practice. Our trainers will guide you, and you will have some real-time projects, and you will have mock exam with simulator, and you will get a certification from the global, and we will help you to get pass in interview by conducting mock interviews. Finally, you will reach to your destination. I will tell you the same story in different way. Akas Cloud is not a platform, it is a solution. If you have a problem, what is your problem? Your problem is to get a job. So your goal is a job, your problem is a skill set. So Akas Cloud will give a best solution to get or to achieve goal. So this is what today's video, and here we are available in different social media where you can get in touch in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, OK, and BK. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.